learners, let's learn how to ask questions in English related to classroom and learning. Stop saying, I finish homework. It sounds incomplete. Here's how to ask these questions the right way. The biggest mistake students make is that they drop the helping verbs. Correct homework questions usually start with did, do, are we supposed to, or have I, followed by the rest of the question. Let's look at some examples. I finish homework. This is incorrect. Did I finish the homework correctly? This is correct. We need do page 10. This is incorrect. Are we supposed to do page 10? This is correct. You check my homework. This is incorrect. Can you check my homework? This is correct. I must hand in today. This is incorrect. Do I have to hand it in today? This is correct. Teacher give homework for weekend? This is incorrect. Did the teacher give us homework for the weekend? This is correct. I already do homework. This is incorrect. Have I already done the homework? This is correct. Class need bring book tomorrow? This is incorrect. Do we need to bring the book tomorrow? This is correct. I finished reading chapter? This is incorrect. Have I finished reading the chapter? This is correct. We doing project today? This is incorrect. Are we doing the project today? This is correct. Let's take the common mistake challenge. I'll say a wrong question. Type or say the correct version before I reveal it. You understand homework? We have test tomorrow. I need bring notebook. Now that you have mapped the answers in your mind, let's look at the correct answers. Do you understand the homework? Do we have a test tomorrow? Do I need to bring my notebook? You can try this exercise with your own homework questions too. Here's a quick practice for you. Repeat after me. Are we supposed to do dash for homework? Did I finish this correctly? Let's look at a quick recap. Remember, homework questions need helping verbs. Use did, do, are, have at the start. If you drop these helping verbs, you confuse everyone. So use a helping verb and your English will sound sharper instantly. Comment the most confusing homework you've ever gotten. Happy learning! I'll see you in the next. Like, share and subscribe.